Hello, I'm traveling Björn, and this time we are on the Danish island called Samsø. We are at the fjord, Stauns fjord. It was a beautiful evening in July, just perfect for reflection photos. The unique Stauns fjord is formed by Besser Reef, which closes the fjord to the east. The reef protects the fjord from easterly winds and waves and helps preserve Stauns fjord as one of the country's most excellent breeding and resting areas for a large variety of bird species. Here are some reflection photos from that evening. At the entrance of the fjord, you will find the cozy harbor Langør. It is mostly for sailboats. At summertime, there is also a restaurant here called Smokehouse Langør, where you can eat seafood. My favorite is smoked shrimps with alioli. At sunset here, it was so beautiful, and I took some photos here. And also, I just sat here and enjoyed the spectacular view. Here are some of the photos from the harbor. I would be happy if you subscribed to my channel and maybe also made a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.